Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to clear some concept about why choose Python language instead of other languages.
Three, two, one, go.
So first of all, we are going to see what is Python language. Python is an interpreted object-oriented high-level programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. So what is the use of Python language? Python is a general purpose coding language, which means it can be used for other types of programming like general web development, building web apps, scientific computing plus data science, machine learning, even in financial industries. When HackerRank released a survey of various industries revealing which programming languages they were prioritizing when hiring developers, programmers and engineers. When it comes to fintech, Python dominated the rank. So basically Python is everywhere. Since 2012, Python has been consistently growing in popularity. The demand and support for Python are also on the rise, and if projections are to be believed, Python will overtake Java in coming years and claim the top spot. And Python has the fast development speed that makes developing software in Python very fast, and writing Python codes are very easy. Why Python? Because of its popular, fast, readable, simple, clear and scalable. It offers a ton of useful framework and libraries. It enjoys a vast and ever growing community of supporters and enthusiasts. And now why Python is better than any other languages? Python programs are generally expected to run slower than Java programs, but they also take much less time to develop, and Python programs are typically 3 to 5 times shorter than equivalent Java programs. First and foremost reason why Python is much popular because it is highly productive as compared to other programming languages like C++ and Java. It is much more consistent and expressive language and requires less timing, effort and lines of code to perform the same operations. Over the years, Python has managed to sweep into a leading world and have managed to reach the top. Even in the future, for coming decade, it is going nowhere. If anything, it might go to a new level with AI involvement. What are the benefits of using Python? Python is a versatile, easy to use and fast to develop, open source with vibrant community, and Python has all the libraries you can imagine, and it has problems with threading. Some disadvantages of Python. First of all, Python is an interpreted language, which means it works with an interpreter, not with a compiler. As a result, it executes relatively slower than C, C++, Java and many other languages. And second is Python is executed through an interpreter instead of compiler. Because of that, errors and bugs can be detected during compilation, and that's not good for developers. And now, which Python IDE is best for you? There are several IDEs for Python, and one of the best IDEs is PyCharm. PyCharm is referred by all the developers out there, and PyCharm is easy to use for beginners. So that's all for now guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more tech videos.